This story was written by Mr. Gomez's class, and it's called The Green BMXer Princess. Once upon a time, there was a green princess BMXer cooking in the Green Goo Fog House. I'm depressed. I'm so lonely. I wish I had a prince. Someone who would spend time with me and would love me. There was no people around her because people didn't like that she was green. An animal, her dog, was right beside her. She said hi to her dog and told him how much she needed a prince. Hi. I really need a prince. So much. But she couldn't find one. She searched in the forest. She looked in New York and in the park. Then she researched on the internet after looking at castles online. She went on castles.com and was dreaming of a beautiful castle. Then she saw a BMX prince there. He was green like her. And ever since that day, she found her true love. She ran to the prince's castle, and the prince was waiting for her outside. He said,
"Hi, BMXer."
"Hi." Are there any other BMX princes here?
No, just me.
Oh. Are you sure?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Okay, you'll do. He was the only one she could find. The end.